to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I toned this 13x4 16-inch lace front wig. Let's get right into it. Here I'm just showing you guys the toner that I used, nice and easy, number 8 medium blonde. So applying toner is pretty easy and simple. It's the 1 2 3 step type of thing. All you have to do is just take number 1 and squeeze it into number 2, and when you squeeze it in, make sure you squeeze it all the way down, like get every inch of it out, okay? Because you're going to be using this on the wig. You're going to use as much as you can as possible. Y'all see how flat that is? So pretty much after you put number 1 inside number 2, you just shake it. Make sure you shake it real good and thoroughly. So make sure y'all do damp the wig just a little bit, but this is probably the most simplest, easiest, laziest way to tone a wig. So you're going to take the number 2 and you're just going to go ahead and just apply it in different spots, well, all over the wig pretty much, all on the front, back, sides, bottom. Make sure you get it almost everywhere pretty much on the wig. Then you can take like a brush or a comb and you can just comb or brush it throughout the hair. Make sure too you do separate the hair, because you do want to make sure that the hair gets toned evenly. So you can take the toner and separate the hair and apply it. You don't want to have where certain spots that's toned and some is still 613. So yes, make sure you separate the hair and brush or comb it through. Pretty much keep applying the toner just to make sure I get almost everywhere on the wig, all between the hair. Make sure you get it at the top, bottom, in between, all that, because you want to make sure again you evenly tone the wig. So after you pretty much use your whole bottle of toner, you'll start to notice that the wig has started to tone or has toned already. So here's how the hair looked after applying the toner, and I let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes, and this is how it pretty much looked. I wanted to show y'all too really quickly how the lace does not get affected as well. So here's how it came out after I let it air dry. I pretty much washed the toner out and just let it sit, and it pretty much came out like a silvery sandy looking color. Not too bad, kind of is the color I was looking to have. So we're gonna go ahead and get into styling it. Here I'm taking my iron guard spray and I'm just applying it throughout the hair, and then you want to make sure you also just brush it through. Then you're going to take some heat protectant and apply it to the hair, just a little bit, not too much, but you're going to rub it throughout the hair. go ahead into flat ironing the hair. You're just going to go into making the part for your wig. Now we're going to finally get into cutting the hair. After cutting your wig, you're just going to go ahead and go over it with a flat iron. You're just going to bump the bottom of your bob wig to the best way you would like for it to be bumped. So after bumping the hair, here's pretty much how the bob wig came out. I absolutely fell in love with it, okay? It is so cute. So I did want to show you guys a better view of the toner on the hair, but yes, here is your 613 tone bob wig.